Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video is about user testing. User testing is a really helpful tool that allows companies to get feedback on their websites, apps, and products from real users. It works like this. Company creates tasks or questions for users to complete, and then user testing finds people who match the target audience to try out those tasks. The user record their screen and voice while they navigate through the website or app, and they also share their thought out loud. This way, the companies can see the first-hand how users interact with their products and what they think about it. And one of the great things about user testing is that it provides values insights quickly. Companies can get feedback within hours, which is faster than other traditional methods like survey or focus groups. This speed helps companies make improvement and fix issues promptly. So, how to get paid to test? Okay, I like the startup. So, you enter just your email and you get started. Thanks for your interest. Unfortunately, we currently have all the contributors we need this time. So I can't log in now, but one day someone will go out. So another advantage of user testing is that it offers a diverse pool of testers. It strives to match users based on demographics, interest, and experience, so companies can gather feedbacks from a wide range of perspectives. This helps them understand how different types of users might use their products and address any usable issues or concerns. The platform itself is easy to use both for companies and testers. Companies can set up tests easily and define specific tasks or questions they want users to complete. They can also view the recordings and read testers' comments in a clear and organized format. So, for testers, user testing offers an opportunity to share their opinion and get paid for their time. They can choose tests that interest them and complete them whenever it's convenient. It's convenient. Testers appreciate the flexibility and the chance to contribute their thoughts to help improve products. So this is what the website about. User Zoom. Enjoy introducing our last platform addition. Enjoy HQ and User Zoom, powering over 314 of the world top's brand. So we have Alaska, ATB, Canva, GoDaddy, Flash Frisk, HP, Subway. Let's see more of them. Ooh, I think this website gathers everything. We have Deezer, Amazon Seller Central. Let's see more. Adobe OC, also Costa Coffee. We have Zendesk, Microsoft, the Trio. Those are five. Kimberly Clark. We have. Sorry, my mouse is going crazy. And other companies that can work. You can also review this company. So we said you can't get paid, you can't join them because it's full for now. Everyone is looking for this. So you apply, you browse, you test, you make money. 4 easy steps to get rich. You can't get rich. The amount will be good. So those are some workers and resource companies, platforms, solutions, and other things that offers this website for both of the companies and the customers. So overall, user testing is a fantastic tool for companies looking to gather users' feedback. It's fast, diverse, and user-friendly, allowing businesses to gain valuable insights and make informed decisions to enhance their products and services. So I will check it from time to time to get the the job. So now they are full. I can join, but you try your luck. They have everything. You can join Zoom call and announce what do you want, what do you see on the website, what are the benefits, what is good and what is not good. So the Microsoft, our CEO Satya Nadella, tell us often that the resource of innovation comes from having a deep sense of empathy. And it's true, this is a lot of typing. So people can type all of this. Solution for every team, UX and design, executive, products, marketing, and others. So I hope you get a chance to join the website. Here to edit the cookies. I don't think they have customer support button here to get help. So this is it. I hope you understand this what is this website, and hope the places and someone left because I wanted to join to see what is it, what's going on the website, how it works from the inside. And yeah, you too. You are watching the video wondering what is going on from the inside, how it works, how to upload the videos. Is it you should take cam of yourself or you just record the website or the product? Lot of questions. But we can't answer it unless we can enter the website, and you can also get free trial. You can get a free trial. Let's try it. Job title. Oh, you can post a job. Yes, this is free trial for businesses, not for us. Why would a business need a free trial? So let's get started. No, again. Okay, I tried my luck 3 times. You better try your luck. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Forgive me for wasting your time. And goodbye.